Good morning, guys. Okay, just want to do a quick little sort of review of this new DeWalt cordless pencil vibrator that I just picked up. So we do concrete from time to time, steps, slabs, everything concrete related pretty much, walkways, and it's always nice to have a pencil vibrator to consolidate the concrete. And before we were just using like a Wacker-Neuson one, like many of you know about, to vibrate the concrete. It's got the flexible end on it and you can stick it down in and it just consolidates the concrete. So I wanted something that's a little bit more portable because, as you know, that one's bulky, and they really don't make like a small version of these things until now. And DeWalt's been making this for a few years, but it's new to us. So let's do a quick unboxing, put together. I can't show it in concrete because we don't have any concrete right now that's wet, but maybe in the future I'll do a video. It's just there's no videos on this online. So I just want to do one for you guys out there that might be interested. So it's the DeWalt DCE531M1, and it's open here. So it comes with one 20 volt 4 amp hour battery, standard DeWalt battery. This little carry bag there. And I got mine from Mississauga Hardware. I think it was around $550. So there's the power unit there. And it's actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Even in the picture, it looks like bigger than this. But I mean, there's both my hands. It's pretty compact. And I think, yeah, so you got twist ring here to put your wand on. Okay, standard DeWalt charger. And where's the battery indicator on these? Oh, right here. Okay, so yeah, we're fully charged, so we'll try it out. You got your manual, and this is the actual vibrating head. So this looks just like the industrial grade ones, like the Wacker-Neuson or Husqvarna makes one. Yeah, it's got a square keyed hole there. It's got the sort of collar. If any of you are familiar with that, you put it in and then it locks onto the collar. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, you could use different ends with this, but don't quote me on that. Anyway, nice flexible shaft, durable coating. It's almost like the coating on like a hydraulic hose, that type of thing. And then you've got your end here. So we'll put this on the drill and I guess just try it out. Okay, so to mount to the drill, you just put your collar over it like this and fit your square key in there. Tighten this down. So it's nice and, you know, compact, easy to use. You use it with one hand if you're just walking, doing a pad or something like that. So that's kind of cool. I'll just move this back here. Kind of length we got on it. So from the tip of the vibrating head to, I'd say, the most usable portion is 47 inches. I wouldn't go any deeper than that. You'll just get the tool all dirty. So that's pretty good. Perfect for doing steps, slabs, that type of thing. So put our battery in here. And it's, you can go a little bit, you can go full blast. Yeah, it's got a pretty good, yeah, I would say as much or better than the industrial ones. Got a little light on here in case you're pouring concrete at night, which we don't do. But yeah, overall pretty awesome. I think it will work very well, but like I said, we're gonna have to try it out in some concrete. But I just wanted to give you guys a little viewing unboxing of this so you can you know, sort of check it out if you're not able to go to the store or whatever, like I was, and there's not a lot of videos on it. So if you guys want to know anything else about it, whatever that might be, just shoot me a message. Thanks.